5 Top Home Remedies for Dark Circles Under Eyes. They say eyes are the reflection of our soul. But with the changing times and the hectic lifestyle routines, maintaining a brighter looking pair of eyes is one of the most difficult tasks, especially for women. Dark circles around eyes and fine lines around the eyes is a common beauty concern of today. The skin around the eye area is one of the most delicate skin areas of the body. The skin near the eyes is thinner and fragile in comparison to the other parts of the body. Although there are many treatment alternatives available in the market that claim to treat the dark under eyes, but they often lack in providing the claimed results. Try out these awesome, completely affordable, highly effective, and easy home remedies to cure the under eye circles now. 1. Cucumber Compress. Cucumber is known for its cooling and antioxidant properties, and this simple remedy will help in reducing the fine lines and dark color around and under the eyes. Cucumber is also a rich source of vitamin C and vitamin K, which is known to reduce the inflammation around the eyes that causes puffiness and fine lines. Try this quick one-step and amazing remedy to treat the under eye area gently. Things you need: cold cucumber slices 2. Process. 1. Place the cold cucumber slices over the closed eyelids for about 15 to 30 minutes. 2. Later clean the eye area with some cold water. 3. This process can be repeated 2 to 3 times in a day for 3 weeks or until the signs of dark circles under eyes has visibly reduced. 2. Rose water. Rose water, apart from being the best natural toner for the skin, is even known for its healing benefits. Rose water is a rich source of antioxidant properties, antibacterial properties, and anti-inflammatory properties. This rose water remedy will help in strengthening the skin cells. Also, with regular usage, will rejuvenate the skin on the dark eye circles. Things you need: cotton pads 2. Rose water 2 to 3 tablespoons. Process. 1. Firstly, take the cotton pads and soak them well into the rose water for about 2 to 3 minutes. 2. Now place this rose water soaked cotton pads over the closed eyelids of your eyes. 3. Leave these cotton pads over your eyes for 2 to 3 minutes. 4. This process can be repeated 2 to 3 times in a day for 3 weeks or until there are visibly lesser signs of the dark circles around eyes. 3. Cold milk eye compress. Milk is a rich source of lactic acid, amino acids, enzymes, proteins, and many antioxidant properties. These qualities of milk make it the ideal ingredient to treat the dark circle under eyes, as well as to reduce the puffiness under the eyes. Things you need: cold milk 1/2 cup. Cotton balls 2. Process. 1. Dip the cotton balls into the cup of cold milk and let it soak for about 5 to 10 minutes. 2. Now place these cold milk-soaked cotton balls under the eyes and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes or until they feel warm or less cold. 3. This process can be repeated 2 to 3 times in a day to lighten the fine lines under eyes.